In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your hacked X or Twitter account with 2FA enabled. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you prefer using and head to help.x.com, this site right over here. If you scroll down, as you can see, you can click on help with locked or limited account. Now scroll down all the way until you find contact our support team. And as you can see, you'll get an account access form. So simply go ahead and tell them that you believe that your account is hacked or compromised right over here. Simply go ahead and click on yes or no regarding are you able to log in into your X account. Enter your username, your email, your date, the last time when you could access it, your email or phone number that you used to use, and click on submit, and they'll get in contact with you to help get your account back. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.